Hello everyone and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. In this video I will show you a new feature on the new SOLIDWORKS 2019. You can export your bill of materials to Microsoft Excel, but now you can include a small thumbnail or a small component preview on that Excel sheet. Okay, so we will start with the drawing for an assembly. And now we're choosing a standard sheet size just for the video. Just click OK. Now we will import a model view. In this case, I'm just gonna import an isometric view. Okay, and now we will insert a bill of materials. Okay, we will go to Insert, Tables, Bill of Materials. And now we will generate the bill of materials from this assembly. Click OK. So one nice addition on SOLIDWORKS 2019 is that you can modify the line thickness on the tables. In this case, I'm going to select this row. Then you will see a new button. And now you have to choose the line. And then you have to choose the line thickness. Okay, so we will right click on the table, Save As. In this case, we want to export as an Excel file, yes. And then we will click Thumbnails. Select file name and then click Save. Now we have to wait for the file to be generated. And now we will see the component preview on the bill of materials. That's it for today, Tech Tips Tuesday. We will see you in the next one.